Hey guys, it's me, GadgetGal38 here. How are you? Well, I'm here to do an unboxing of my phone. I have the 16 Pro Max. It is in the desert. I may sound stuffy. I do have COVID. And it's on a Sunday, and I'm ready to unbox my phone. So got a little energy so I can do it. So I hope y'all bear with me. All right, let's do this. All right, so here it is. Here's the box. Yeah. Hope y'all see my pre-order video. Yeah, I didn't tell y'all that something told me to check my status on my phone at Verizon and through my email, and it said that my phone was on hold, y'all. I was like, oh my gosh, but it just wanted me to verify that it was me. But I'm like, you better still let me have this phone on the 20th. And it did. But yeah, let's do this. Alrighty. Let's open it up at these little tabs right here, of course. Yeah. Yes. So, yeah. Let's do this. Let's do this. I don't know. I'm not a gold person, but ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty though. It does have a little tint of pink in there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It looks creamy. Yeah. So I heard we didn't have Apple stickers, but inside the box is the braided cord, USB to USB-C to USB-C. So yeah, and you get your little pamphlet, all that stuff telling you about the eSIM. So yeah, they could give us the Apple sticker. That's the only little free thing they give us with this $2,000 phone. Well, almost 2,000, but anyway. Ooh, it's so pretty. It is pretty though. Oh, I love the sides. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah. I thought maybe I would turn it back in and get the white. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, look at that. What they said not to call it a button. What is it? Camera control. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's go ahead. Let's take this off. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Now, it's a 6.9 inch. I really can't tell the difference, to be honest. I'm sorry, but I'm filming on my the 15 Pro Max, so I can't show you side by side, but I don't feel a difference, to be honest. Oh, let's see how this gonna look. Okay, so it's gonna, I don't know. Let me see how it works with this finger, this hand. I don't know. It looks good. Let's turn it on. Let's see if we got some power. Okay, here we go. We got some power. Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Sorry I was interrupted, but here we go. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, I can see those bezels. It looks great. All right. Hola. All right. I'm just gonna set it up right quick. I don't know if I want to start fresh or should I just have what I've been having, but I'll be back. So I am back. I'm on my iPad now. So setup complete. Okay. Awesome sauce. Continue. So I do see the difference. Yeah. It ain't that much difference, y'all. I did get some cases for this phone. I'm able to transfer a number. Your phone number could not be transferred to this phone. You can try again. Seriously. Let's try it again. Oh, want me to do Face ID? Why? You said it couldn't be. All right, I'm getting ready to do Face ID. Let's get started. awesome sauce. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Desert Titanium. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I love you guys. Peace and toodles.